Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Take Two. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can create Zoom link for meeting. So I'm going to be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one, and if you have any problem or any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Zoom app, and once you use your Zoom app, you'll be over here in this particular platform. So I'm using a Android device, so I'm gonna teach you according to this. So now what you need to do is just go to new meeting and then just start the meeting first. Starting, let's have some patience for a while. And okay, starting. So once you are over here like this, what you need to do is you need to go to this Zoom, and then over here you'll be having this link which says invite link. You just press over here and the link will be copied, and you can share the link to your friends. So that's pretty much, guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.